Hello YouTube family, welcome back to the channel. So today we are here in front of the new Hero Destiny 125, that is the BS6 edition. So in today's video I will be detailing each and every specifications and features of this vehicle. It might be the engine, suspension or the instrument cluster. So without wasting much time, let's move on with the video. Before starting with the video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of my next video. This is the left profile of the scooter. It comes with a body colored mirrors. Coming to the rear part, it has edge designed indicators and tail lamps. The rear mudguard is wide enough. The indicator and tail lamp both are halogen type. The tail lamp is massively huge. Fuel filling nozzle is given externally, so you don't have to remove the seat to fill the fuel. So now let's look out the right profile of the scooter. Exhaust paddle is beautifully designed. A lot of chrome treatment is done on this moped. Let's start with the wheels first. The tire size is 90/100. These are 10-inch alloy wheels with 130 mm drum brake that is equipped with the integrated braking system by Hero. In the front, you have hydraulic type telescopic suspension for better riding comfort with the reflector over there. Fuel injection stickers at the sides. Coming to the rear wheel, the tire size is 90/100, 10-inch alloy wheels. Both the front and back tires are tubeless. Coming to the brakes, 130 mm drum brake at the rear. The rear suspension is unit swing with spring-loaded hydraulic dampers. You can see the length of the suspension. It provides good riding comfort. The tail lamp lens are designed well for good reflecting quality. The tiny little exhaust hole over there. A catalytic converter is present to comply with the BS6 emission norms. The instrument cluster has fully analog speedometer with a digital odometer and the trip meter. The legroom and knee room is very comfortable for both short riders and the tall riders. This vehicle is equipped with the Hero's i3S Smart technology. A switch is provided there for operation. Towards the left, we have controls for light with a pass switch. Now let's turn on the ignition and check out the instrument cluster. i3S mode indicator is present with high beam indicator. This is the side stand indicator. This is the engine check light to detect any faults in the ECU and the sensors connected to it. In addition to trip meter, fuel gauge and service reminder is also present. In the front, it comes with a multi-reflective type halogen headlamps that is of 35 watts. The indicators are also halogen. Stylish chrome treatment has been done in the front panel of the moped. The most attractive part which I personally love about this scooter is the body colored mirrors, which look very beautiful. Now let us discuss few important features about the heart of the scooter, that is the engine, which is also personally my favorite. The foot pegs are finished with rubber, which provides a better grip without slipping off your leg. This particular engine complies with the BS6 emission norms. It is equipped with a 125cc single cylinder air cooled engine. It provides a maximum output power of 6.7 kW at 7000 rpm and a maximum torque of 10.4 Nm at 5500 rpm, being a fuel injected engine. Coming to the dimensions, this scooter has overall length of 1809 mm with a width of 729 mm and the overall height is 1154 mm with a wheelbase of 1245 mm. In the boot, you have mobile charging socket. The fuel tank capacity is around 5 liters and the ground clearance is around 155 mm. This particular scooter has a curb weight of 113 kgs. Coming to the price segment, this particular scooter has an ex-showroom price of 70,600 in Bangalore. So if you are staying in Bangalore, I will provide the complete address and details of the showroom in the description box. Do check out there for booking the scooter.